I have literally worked on this damn. Ugh, I blew several capacitors into oblivion. There's like little shells and remnants. I went bang, boom, bada bang. Freaking cap bodies after cap bodies. Freaking all the wiring screwed to hell and back. But I wanted to share what I got, and I literally I was up till like 3 in the morning, right? And from 3 in the morning until, let me see, maybe I moved that over a little bit more. I was literally, I couldn't sleep. 3:30 in the morning, I'm like, all right, I don't know what to do anymore. I'm out of steam. I just can't do it anymore today. I'll come back to it. I sent LookMumNoComputer, I sent Sam a message. I was like, I hit a dead end. I don't even know what to do to fix this, what's going on. Finally, I just systematically tore out one board. I tore out the top board. It worked. I resoldered it back in. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 wires, unsoldered and resoldered back. It's working. And I came did the same thing for each one, and I'm just all day at it, and I haven't had a chance. I mean, I showered last night, but then I threw the same shirt on and jumped right back into this freaking project today. I needed it done. I got the switches aren't here yet. The switches are going to make sure they always stay on when I want them to, instead of pressing each one every time. So like, I'm gonna turn it on. Here we go. I'm gonna show you what I got. So I gotta turn my soldering pencil off. It's making the lights flicker. And then I'm gonna turn this light off. It's gonna be a little darker in here than usual. That's my bass line, or like my beats line rather, so I can. That's the bottom line. Then there's the, let me turn that a little bit more so you can see a little better. My apologies. Trying to. This LED I haven't replaced yet. It burnt out. Oh, maybe, whatever. So that's the bass line, and then this is like the first melody line. How about that? And then I appreciate y'all stopping by. The next step is going to be to put the VCO and clean it up and make it look a little bit better. And yeah. That's so nice. Oh, it freaking works. Like, I figured it was something I could fix, but at the same time, you know, these things sometimes don't work the way you want them to work. And when they don't work the way you want them to work, it can get frustrating and make you just pause. And I'm over here, I mean, I managed to get, let's see, I think I blew up like 4 or 5 capacitors, and then I finally got this one to work correctly. So, yeah, I appreciate y'all stopping by. I got to do a lot of cleanup on it and make it, you know, ready to mount. I've got it on a kind of, this is my view, right? So I managed to salvage those 4 modules, thank goodness, because that was a whole day's work that I would have had to redo. But yeah, I'm glad you guys stopped by and checked that out. I don't know what else I'm going to do between now. I'm still waiting on the CEM 3340s. They were supposed to be here already. I ordered them like 2 weeks ago. The mail is running a bit slow, but yeah, if they'll hurry up and get those chips in, I can start working on the VCO across the top. And I want to build 5 of them. That might be a kind of a reach, you know, but I would like to build 5. I don't know that I would even be able to really do anything with that many. Maybe I don't need that many. I don't know. I'm going to have to do some reading. I believe they're controlled by control voltage, which means that I got a little beat steps thing. I don't know if the drum gates will work for it. If the drum gates will work for it, then it'd be probably worth it for me to build 5 of them. If it's not the gate, but the pitch or velocity or something like that, I think it's the gate. I don't know. This is new for me, but I'm excited anyways. I'm going to keep on trying and keep on researching. I think I can do drums with this machine using VCOs, voltage. I think the gates control that. I don't know. I'll have to go look into it. But when I figure it out, of course, there'll be an update, a video on it. And if I can do 5 VCOs across the top and control them with my drum machine, this will be one heck of a nice little box. If I can't, it's got 3 sequencers, or 2. There's 2 sequencers on here. If it uses the pitch or something like that instead of the gate, which I don't see why it would do that, but you never know. So if it'll use the drum gates, I'm going to build all 5 of them, and I'm going to have me 5 different voices across the top, and I'll have this drone. These are 20 drones to go along with the stuff. This isn't complete, just so you guys know. This is work in progress. But it lives, it breathes, it makes noise, all the buttons light up, all the oscillators oscillate, all the knobs knob. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you guys.